Good listening helps you notice how people really speak. When you listen to others, you hear their sounds, rhythm, stress, and tone. You begin to understand how words connect together in real conversation. Listening is like opening a window to the beauty of spoken English. Every time you listen with care, you train your ears to recognize the small details that make speech sound natural. When your ears become sharp, your mouth can follow more easily. You start to copy sounds correctly, and your pronunciation becomes clearer every day. So the journey to speaking well begins with patient and active listening. Many people think that speaking comes first, but that is not true. Listening always comes before speaking, just like a baby learns to listen long before saying words. Imagine how babies learn their first language. They hear voices, songs, and stories every day. Slowly, their ears get used to the sounds. Later, they begin to repeat what they hear. You can do the same, no matter your age. When you listen often and carefully, your brain starts to remember the sound patterns of English. Soon, you find yourself speaking with more confidence. The more you listen, the more natural your speech becomes. Listening also helps you understand the emotion behind words. English is not only about grammar or vocabulary, it is also full of music and feeling. Good speakers use tone to show happiness, surprise, sadness, or excitement. When you listen closely, you can feel these emotions. You learn how speakers raise or lower their voices, how they pause to make meaning clear, and how they use rhythm to sound friendly or serious. Paying attention to these things helps you make your speaking more expressive and beautiful. At first, listening might be difficult. Sometimes people speak too fast or use words you do not know. Do not worry. Struggling is a sign that your brain is growing. Every time you listen, even if you do not understand everything, your ears are learning. You are training the muscles of your brain to hear new sounds. Just like exercise makes your body strong, listening makes your mind sharp. So do not give up when it feels hard. Keep listening every day, even for a short time. Soon you will notice that the same sentences become clearer and understanding will feel easier. Try to listen to English from many sources. You can listen to songs, stories, short videos, news, or podcasts. Even simple conversations help you grow. Choose topics that you enjoy, because when you enjoy something, you learn faster. For example, if you like sports, listen to English sports commentary. If you like cooking, watch easy recipes in English. The key is to make listening a daily habit, like brushing your teeth. A few minutes every day works better than long practice once a week. Your brain loves routine. When you listen daily, your brain begins to think in English naturally. As you listen, do not just hear words. Try to feel them. Focus on how the speaker's mouth moves, how the sound goes up or down, and how words join together. Repeat what you hear, even if only one sentence at a time. This practice is called shadowing. It means you speak at the same time as the speaker, copying their pronunciation, tone, and emotion. At first, it may feel strange, but it is one of the fastest ways to improve pronunciation. When you shadow audio often, your mouth begins to move like a native speaker's mouth. Remember that confidence comes from practice, not perfection. You do not need to sound like a native speaker to be a good communicator. What matters most is being clear, natural, and confident. Everyone makes small mistakes. Do not be afraid of them. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. When you listen actively, you will make fewer mistakes over time because your ears will guide your mouth. Think of listening as your silent teacher and speaking as your practice field. Both are friends that help you grow together. Sometimes people feel shy to speak in English because they worry about pronunciation. But when you listen more, that fear slowly disappears. You start to feel how English should sound inside your mind. This gives you courage to open your mouth. You will notice that the rhythm of English starts to live inside you. Words will come,